I don't even know how to explain this, but get 1,000 subscribers in one day, get 4,000 watch hours in 2 days in one day. Does that make sense? No. It doesn't make sense, right? And you subscribe. Amen. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on when you see this video. It's your girl, I Just Matter, and you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if this is your first time seeing me, you're welcome, and I'm so glad to have you. I hope you enjoy this video. Okay, so it's in today's video, I'm going to be telling you your number one focus. In fact, the only thing you should actually focus on as a small YouTuber, because I see that a lot of us start off with the desire to fast forward things, fast forward the process without actually doing what is the most important thing. I don't even know how to explain this, but please stay tuned to the end of this video for you to understand exactly what I am going on about. I want to ask you a question. Please, let me just use this analogy. Let's say you just get a new job. You submitted your CV, you applied for a job, you get a new job, and on the first day that you resumed work, you went straight to your boss. You're asking him when you're going to get your pay, what particular date of the month that you're going to get your pay. And not only that, you report work every day. You sit down, you fold your hands, and you're just looking at the time, looking at the calendar for the calendar to fast forward so that it will get to that point where you. Does that make sense? It doesn't make sense, right? Okay. Now this is what you're doing, and this is what you should only be doing. I'm not trying to, say that the system or the fact that you want to fasten your growth on YouTube is bad. No. Now, I don't know if you're getting my point. Yes, for some of us that want to get 1,000 subscribers in one day, get 4,000 watch hours in 2 days in one day, your only focus as a small YouTuber, to be very honest, is value. Value, yeah. What you are bringing to the people that are watching you. Okay, you go and do all those things that they say you should do to get the 1,000 subscribers. Okay, what are you going to do to sustain them? Because at the end of the day, the people that you attract, you have to do something to keep them watching you, to keep them following you. Or maybe that's your strategy. You catch them first and then start thinking about the value that you're going to use to retain them. And along the line, your taste and their taste. Maybe you start off enticing them with a certain type of videos or a certain type of topics, and then when you draw them in, you want to relax and start doing you, like being your real self, and you now venture into the real thing that actually interests you. Do you think that those people that you reeled in with a different type of idea and video, you think that they would continue? I mean, if they would, by all means continue. But with or without you doing those things to fasten your growth, the most important thing you should actually think about, the most important thing you should actually focus on is value. And some of the OGs, they actually tell you, the person that is telling you to hasten your growth, he or she is giving you value. Because that's what you want to hear. That's what you're eager to hear, right? And they have structured the content, and you actually dive right into it. And when you go on their page, you're seeing 10k, 100k, up to 1 million views. Because of what? Value. They're giving you value. They're giving you what you want to hear. But now in your own house, which is your YouTube channel, you're not even doing anything about the value. All you just want is to reel people in. And then what are you going to do to keep them? So please, from a small YouTuber to another small YouTuber, still provide value to people. People would go where they feel something. People will go where people make them feel something, either learn something, feel good, forget about their problems, or forget about what's going on in their life at the moment. People will always go for somewhere or go to somewhere that makes them feel something. And whatever thing that they feel is the value that you're giving them. I'm not saying if you see ways to grow faster. If I see ways to grow faster, I will grow as well. But I will not grow without bringing value. I will not grow without bringing something that would make people to keep coming back to my videos. So while you're learning the fastest way to grow on YouTube, also learn and improve upon your value. improve upon your idea, improve upon what you actually bring into the table, because people want to get served. They want to be satisfied as well. The people you watch and listen to about this fastest way to grow this, fastest way to grow this, they are bringing value to you, and that's why you keep going back to their pages. And can we all stop the rush, like for a minute? Can we all stop the rush for a minute? I know it can be frustrating, but can we like slow down a bit? Give people something that would feed them and make them satisfied. And your people, I keep saying it, the people that will love you, they will come. Your own community will come, and they will come in numbers. I know you might be struggling with few subscribers and all that, but trust me, give yourself time, be consistent, keep putting out valuable content. Your people will come and your growth will come, and that will be sustainable growth, because you didn't have to reel them in with something else, divert their attention, and then when they are in, you start doing what you want to do. Be yourself and be very valuable. That's just it. So that's like the most important thing you should focus on as a small YouTuber in this year. I desire the growth as well, but I also want to be valuable. I want to always leave you feeling something or thinking about something in my video. And I hope that you have thought about something, or you're thinking about something in this video. If not, I failed. Okay, thank you so much for sticking till this point in this video. I hope I did not offend anybody. I hope I did not offend you. I beg, forgive me. Biko, forgive me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and let me know if you agree with me or not. And until I come your way next time, thank you so much. Take care. Bye.